Guys, today I am going to make a video on how to reach to Chima SSB dormitory. So just now I came to SSB Kent railway station, Jalandhar Kent railway station. Now I will show you the way how to you have to go to the SSB dormitory. Nothing else, it is very simple. If you go for an auto or any other things, it will charge more than 100 rupees. But if you can by walk only, you can reach within less than 1 kilometer. Let's move along with me and we'll show the way how you have to reach to the SSB dormitory. It is a platform number 1. When you get down from the side, you will have the staircase. From the staircase, you can directly go from the last one. You will get it down. Come, let's go. So now you are guys coming up to the stairs. When you come up, the last one is just when you have to get down. So let's go to the last one and get down. This will almost cover 500 meters of your journey almost. What a beautiful view of Jalandhar Kent. So this is the last platform stage. You have to get it down from here. So if you see that Jalandhar Kent, the railway station is being renovated, making a new station. So you can, when I came here, I was confused. This is Jalandhar Kent or what? But now you can see that it has been everywhere renovating and new structures, infrastructure development is happening in SSB. For SSB guys, it is very important to know that how India is developing through this infrastructure. Our Prime Minister is also doing many things in the development of railway stations. So this is the stairs, you have to get it down, and from here straight a dead end road will go and will take a right turn. From there it will be almost 300 meters to reach to Chima SSB dormitory. Guys, this is the road we have to follow. So I am making a video this to all the new SSB candidates who want a clean dormitory to stay for SSB interviews. So this will be very helpful to those who have came first time to the Jalandhar. So this is the road you have to follow straight to the dead end. And you can see in the behind we have our SSB Kent railway station. So when you came straight dead end, you will find this underpass. And this underpass, if you take the right turn, you will reach the Chima SSB by 300 meters from here. The above vehicle is going is our SSB dormitory mates who got recommended from SSB Jalandhar, and they are here to congratulate and getting some suspense prizes for our Paji sir, who is the dormitory mentor. Straight way we will go. So this is the SSB dormitory is nearby the market. Whatever need you want to take, there will be just you come out downside you will find everything, whatever things you want. And this is the entrance of our Chima SSB dormitory. You can see that big gate. If you enter here, you can see the boards available for the direction for the new cadets who want to stay in our dormitory. See here also you just take a left and you will find the Chima SSB dormitory.
Chima.
See guys,
इधर हम दोनों खड़े होंगे.
this is the SSB dormitory, and the SSB dormitory owner and our mentor sir. The sir is very humble and confident. He will enhance our confidence in interview also. He will take our interviews and everything. He helped for the candidates who really want to achieve.